My name is SARATH AJITH. I come from Kerala, Kannur. I joined in Pyspider in 2022 October. Later, after completing the basics of Python in full stack development, I tried for a Python developer trainee post in one company. After getting some information and some training, good learning sessions with Pyspider, I got selected in Cyberosis Technologies in Calicut Kinfra. So, when coming to say about the Pyspider, it's a well-known institute for students who seeks job in their IT profession. Definitely, they should choose Pyspider for their better future. It's a well-known and reputed institute which provides a lot of company interviews, everything for maximum support they are providing for the students. Especially the guidance from Dushan sir in the Python session made me more knowledgeable in the Python full stack development. That's why I got this job so early. So I'm very happy, and I am suggesting all of you to join in Pyspider for a better future in IT segment.